This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Jellyfish is one of the early works of American poet Marianne Moore, written in 1909. Animals were often used as central figures in her poems, and in Jellyfish, Moore describes this marine creature and attributes some symbolic meaning to it. The poet utilizes various poetic devices to create a vivid image with several possible interpretations and layers of meaning expressed in the annotations below. Moore describes a jellyfish's unique appearance, which is expressed by the seemingly conflicting antonyms visible and invisible and the epithet fluctuating. The author shows her appreciation of the jellyfish's beauty using the word charm, which has a positive connotation. The poet creates a peculiar rhythmic pattern vividly imitating the natural jellyfish's movements by using the epithet fluctuating, and the repetition of it opens, and it closes. The jellyfish might be a symbol of changeable and unpredictable life twists. Interestingly, Moore utilizes no words with negative connotations to describe how the narrator fails to catch the jellyfish. On the contrary, from this perspective, fluctuating charm seems to express the poet's admiration for the new challenges life offers people every day. Therefore, the author chose a beautiful image to demonstrate her appreciation of the unpredictability of life. The jellyfish might also symbolize independence, as it escaped only when it felt threatened for its freedom. Once the narrator means to catch the jellyfish and reaches for it, it shrivels and floats away. The jellyfish's escape might be a metaphor for the consequences of humans' violent and careless interaction with nature. The poem's last line, "from you," seems to highlight the fact that the narrator is the reason the jellyfish is scared and decides to flee. To conclude, jellyfish has two main levels of meaning, literal and figurative. On the surface level, Moore expresses admiration for the animal's exotic beauty. On the metaphorical level, the jellyfish's image might have several interpretations. It may serve as a symbol for the unpredictable and fluctuating nature of life, or independence, free will, and the aftermath of humans' careless attitude towards wildlife, even if it is unintentional. This coursework on analysis of jellyfish by Marianne Moore was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.